this is Chasing California, and today we are going to fly together over the skies of Long Beach. Welcome!
I've always wanted to experience what is it like to fly an aircraft, and since Southern California it's full of flying schools, I decided that this was the perfect opportunity to give it a try.
You start with some paperwork, then they walk you to the airfield and show you the aircraft you are going to pilot.
In this case it was a pretty worn off Cessna 172. Dude, this plane was basically a toaster with wings. The pilot and the co-pilot jump into the front seats, and there is still some rear seat space for one really cute passenger.
After that, the control of the plane is pretty much yours.
It's hard to describe the feeling of taking off for the first time on a plane. The first 30 seconds, I would say, are pretty terrifying, but once you get used to the controls, it is surprisingly easy to fly around.
In our case, we did a very short trip of about 30 minutes, but as you can see on the images, it was long enough to capture these beautiful views of Long Beach in South LA.
Landing. Oh boy, that was scary as hell. The entire plane was shaking like a leaf in the air. Thank God that the instructor took full control of the craft and brought us safe and sound to solid grounds. I feel like I could fly from here to Japan now.
No, maybe not. And this takes us to the end of today's video.
Did you like Long Beach from above? Have you ever flown on a plane like this? Please let us know in the comments below, and remember to subscribe.
See you next time, California Chasers. Adiós, adiós.